Aquariums are animal prisons. Tanks which are used to keep fish captive are often filthy and contain nothing of interest to them, nothing that remotely resembles their natural home. They have no choice but to swim in endless circles. Fish, turtles, and other marine animals are often kept in individual tanks, isolated from others of their own kind. They are also handled so roughly that many die from trauma. Fish in aquariums are also subjected to the constant glare of artificial lights and the droning of the pump. Sometimes, fish held captive in tanks don't notice the glass walls and they injure themselves or even die when they accidentally ram into them. Fish are intelligent animals. They maintain complex social relationships and communicate with each other through barks, clicks, squeaks, and other low-frequency sounds. But in an aquarium, fish and other marine animals who should be navigating vast oceans and rivers are confined to a small, cramped space. Fish belong in the wild. Say no to aquariums.